Is it that adwenya nyame de ma ye use ana? Videos of our time now na ekos no. Afi boruem na behwe video yi. I was shocked. And me be African say, African. So who told this bird, who gave this bird this wisdom, that knowledge, say obetimi afasa kwan we say so to get water? Hwe yen na yen birds enoma ekwan omofa so omonum nsuo. They use their big omano no na odi bonsuom kakra odi akoko ofie no num nsuo kra hwe akoko no ontimi ntwi nsuo no twiruru saa te se de odi na no extra no otwe kwa eti odi na no bomu akakra aba no na opegya nti akoso kakra na kono mimu ano anom na wasan ye biem saa till say obey okay. Now this bird wanted to drink. Now she baby anoma ni sina ensuo nhye dan nwe tatai for mo anoma na okwa akono nsuo no. But Anomani realizing who say there was a bottle of water, mineral water bottle. Ah, obi anom nsuo no so bi ya bi nsuo no so ene ya nom bi. Ena aka nsuo no bi wom. Ena Anomana kwa gina bottle no hu say nsuo e wo bottle no mu. Ah, obetimi anom bi. But odena no ewura mu a enduru nsuo no mu ena Anomana timi anom nsuo no. Obi ani Anomane nkasae, but Anomane timi ayusu ni nyansa wa yusu na adwen say onya object bi na osesa edigu water bottle no mu a sa object no occupy space ni nyina no ebema ensuo no abasoro abeye ma say the bird na no bomu obetimi anom bi enti Anomano the bird started looking for smaller stones a bon kitenkete na no betimi afa na ebetimi awura water bottle na no na kotom enti otam bottle na no de akɔhye nsuo no your friends say otam ebo na no de akɔhye nsuo no bottle no o saa o peke stones saa de gu bottle no mu akɔpem sɛ nsuo no timi ba soro sɛ de be odena no ewura bottle na no a na no ebeduru nsuo no na watimi anya nsuo no bia no. And I'm like, wow. Enti nipa de sani anyame abɔ waso abɔ se ne seso nyame so amay everything ye na ye take dominion of everything that he created bibia. Enti why don't we use our minds? Ye ntimi use ye nyansa eda ye trimu emfa nye bibi ena meka se nen common one hwe a wo be me sound offended now be offended, but see, let's just face this straight. Sometimes it's like you see your dream, especially when you grow mu. The other day I was telling one executive director bi and I'm catching some penny nyame adom matimi anya kwanya kokoko some of the African countries na what Ghana ha na yetietie yenya yonkomo ayedi na yehwe de ekoso other African countries na aya as a Ghana ye wo pride bi as a ye no ye feel say ye special bi too much. I don't know say wa wutie me sa adwen we wotimu a enti other African countries no ye bu om so om de agama om no om nyamu eba na anibie na om nhye dan masa Ghana de ani abie pa ne ade a ene to na tu no ne we think say ye ne abie, we think we've arrived and we are not doing enough. And other countries now you're looking down on them no. Sometimes when you go and then you see how they work and the things that they are doing and then you ask yourself that's how growing away and I think but massa yes, sorry, I take pride. Say, oh, you found your face, and out of that. Yeah, they are no boy and one suffer and we think that and we are not thinking enough to do other stuff. African for video interest no more no man. I mean, because one make us ama one na manuapa. Nyansa ne radi mind. Let's use it. Let's use it. You bet me at try ya na dia se ne asan bokase ya. Look at the bed. Hwa no mano. Yes, the eagle is wise. When you eagle, sa anomande nyame she that born special pa eagle. Okode no. On the nyame ba sa no ma we small boy anoma we hwa no mano no display on. water bottle na esi ono but nsuo no level na ɛwɔ no anoman de na no wura mu ahɛ ɔde stone no atum na wɔn sɛ nka ɔtry but still wɔn sɛ nsuo no ma asoro eti wasan akɔfa another stone ɛde abetum bi hwɛ see hwɛ drop stone no wɔ mu a na nsuo no ba soro ɔde stones no tutu mu a na nsuo no ba soro na asa na no atum ahɛ not na no atum ahɛ no abɔ kakra wɔn say ade emfa level ma me san kɔfa another stone san atum no akwa hwɛ ɛbɔ foforo a ebetimi akɔ bottle no hwɛ anoma anoma bed was a sabon gum saa was a sabon gu water bottle no mu a said the bear be push nsuo no up enough na odna no hwemu a watimi aduru nsuo no mu na wabɔ bi anom na nipa desene yete ho nyame am ye nyansa na enso ye sɔre ada bia ne yesu adan a enko yie yaira akwan na ana eti kwan na kire saa no ma we saa nyansa no who told this bird say anya bia ensuo no level na e wo low no se osesa abo ogumu a ebe push nsuo na ba up se de be ya obetimi anom bi kwan na kire saa no ma no saa nyansa yi nyame hu ye mobo no man ye dikanfo om ye nyansafo because somewhere in the Bible I've forgotten that Ose baby say enyansafo me patcho bi nka me that quotation na me say enyansafo ewo ho ana say omo ewo ema umre that's not how the Bible puts it, but I'm just paraphrasing. But me kai papa. Eti baby enyansafo ni ne de. Ene ho kire so mpa oda. So what you say?